Welcome to Take 5, Day 2 of 31. Let's go ahead and get started, engaging the muscles in our stomach. You're gonna feel your back, shoulders, you're gonna feel it all. 5 minutes on the clock. 3, 2, 1. Hit it, okay? Have a seat to get started for me. Exhale, legs to sky. Good, hands under butt. And then we're gonna lower both legs down, both legs up. Now, if you have any back pain during this exercise, I want to encourage you to bend your knees just a little bit, okay? You shouldn't feel any pain or tension in the back. Everything that you should be feeling should be right in your core. Yes, you'll feel a slight pull from the hip flexors because of the legs going up and down, but the goal is that you can do a leg lift without momentum, okay? So we're really focusing those legs up and down, fighting through and breathing. Good. Let's do 4. Single leg V up is coming. 3. Those are fun. 2. And remember, if you're brand new to core, brand new to me, take a break when you need to. But remember, I'm just asking you to take 5. 5 minutes. Left leg out, bend right knee, plant the foot. Left hand down, right arm up. Come up. So the goal here is to touch that foot as it comes into the air and to really stretch. Now I know that some of you are gonna have trouble reaching for your foot based on your hamstring flexibility, so do your best. Final 4, 3, 2, and 1. Side 2, let's do it. Switch. Arm comes up and over, right hand down. Touch that right foot with your left hand. Good. Super strong, guys, as you come up and down. Try to think about lengthening the torso, pulling the stomach in and down versus pushing it out, okay? Big reach. Perfect. You're here for 4. You're here for 3. You're here for 2. One more rep. Come on, come on. Good. Stay up. Exhale. Sit tall. Pick up your feet. Hold the back of your legs to get started for support. Muscles strong, reach forward. Good, core tight for 4. Stay with me, heart reaches forward. 3, hands at heart in 2. Exhale, twist, side to side. Good job. Nice work, guys. We're about at that halfway mark, okay? Which means 2.5 to go. Way to go. Side to side. 8, twist, 7, twist, 6, come on, keep those feet up if you can. For 4, 3, full sit-ups in 2, 1. Good, lay down, exhale, come all the way up, reach forward, all the way down, all the way up, reach, all the way down. Nice. Up and down. Come up, woo, and down. Give me 4, okay? 4, nice work. Less than 2 minutes, come on. Last 2. Try not to take that break, it's just 5. One more, up, up, up. Good, now, a lemon squeezer, weird name. Pull those knees to chest, hold it right here, okay? Now you can pull with your hands or pull with your thighs. Good, 8, 7, this is fast, 6, nice, 5, come on, 4, 3, less than 90 seconds, 2, exhale, 1, sit up straight. Perfect, flip on over. All right, down onto those forearms we go. Exhale, pull your belly in tight and then twist your knees side to side. So create your space under your stomach by picking it up, lifting it into your core. Yes, yes, yes. We twist for 4. Good, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, hold it. 8. Come on, don't drop. 7. Good. 6, 5, 4. Flipping it back over to boat in 3, 2, 1. Drop your knees, quick flip. Good job, knees up. Core tight. Good. Shake out that back if you need it. Now, stay strong. We lower halfway to the ground. Hold. 4, 3, 2, we come up, hold, 4, 3, 2, we go down, 4, 3, 2, we come up, one more, 4, 3, 2, last time down, 4, 3, 2, can you hold it one more second? Come up, good job, 10, 9, 8, don't drop, come on, come on, come on, hold this, 4, 3, 2, 1, pull those knees to chest, sit up straight, yes, 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 exhale, day 2, you are done, way to work, you're so strong, and I'll see you tomorrow for take 5, day 3. Thanks, guys.